Samba Live 5.4, we introduced support for Safari. And by allowing users to join from Safari, we now also allow them to join from iPhone and iPad, simply using their Safari browser without having to download or install an app, just the same way that on Android you can also join via your Chrome browser. Let me just show you how that works. So over here in the participants list, we can see that we've got an iPhone user waiting in the lobby. Let's allow him into the room. The iPhone user now sees an interface, just as you're used to from the desktop. Let me turn down the volume over here. And if I press OK, I'm connected to the session. Simple as that. There's really nothing I need to install or download to participate. And if on the main screen I open up the whiteboard, for example, you can see that the iPhone user can see exactly what we're doing on screen. So it really could not be easier for iOS device users to participate in Samba Live sessions. That's just a very short demo of how iOS is now supported directly on the Safari browser. Thanks for watching.